Ladies, if you are stress drinking wine every single night, it's fucking up your fat loss. I got the ultimate supplement stack and hack for you to drink wine, scorch fat, and still live like a human being. Right? So, alcohol. You can drink and lose fat. Alcohol has a lot of negative health benefits, a lot of negative health consequences. Not a lot of, that's wrong, right? Okay, so negative health consequences. Number one, HRV, a heart rate variability. If you're drinking alcohol, it's going to mess up your recovery. Your HRV measures your body's recovery. So if you're doing that, and I went over this the other day in the fat loss hierarchy, if you are not recovering, your body's not recovering, well, guess what? You're not going to lose any fat. Physiological and metabolic processes responsible for fat loss are not going to happen. I don't care what you say. They're not. They're not going to happen. Number two, it's going to disrupt your sleep. You're not going to be able to get into deep REM sleep. It's not going to be good. Can't sleep. Can't burn fat. Your metabolism's not working great. You suck. You suck. Third thing, depletes four different things, 3 or 4. Your gut microbiome wiped out. It's going to wipe out your magnesium, your B vitamins. Okay. Another thing it's going to do is every time you drink, it decreases your fat metabolism. It doesn't turn it off. It's not an off and on switch. It's not fucking off and on switch like I hear all these dumbass influencers talk about. It's a continuum, right? And also, it only was going to decrease up to 70% for 3 to 4 hours. So you're probably thinking, oh, well, it's only turned on for 3 to 4 hours and it's only decreasing my fat on top. Well, if you're doing it every single night, 4 hours times 7, that's 28 hours of decreased fat burning. That's more than a day. Yeah. So that extra pound of fat, not happening. Okay. So I always tell my clients, I would rather have you drink a little bit less, maybe about 7 glasses a week. Maybe cut it down to 5 or 6 glasses and squeeze that into 2 days. Squeeze it in 2 days. I'd rather have those effects be acute. The other thing it does, going back to alcohol, it inflames you, right? It causes inflammation. Systemic inflammation, right? Which has a direct effect on your hormone health, your fat loss. Okay, now that we covered that. So why are we stress drinking? Well, you're stressed. You have kids, you got work, come home, like, fuck, I have a chance to breathe. I just finished work. Oh shit, I got these kids. They're fucking crazy. I have 2 16-month-olds. They're 17 months? Maybe they're 17 months. I don't even know. I lost track a while ago. They're within the years of 1 and 2. I have a 5.5-year-old. When I'm done with work, I'm like, oh, chill. Oh shit, I have kids. I gotta turn on for them. So you turn back on and it's stressful and you're making dinner. You're like, fuck, I need this glass of wine before I tear someone's head off. And you have a glass of wine, right? And that kind of maybe leads into 1, maybe 2, maybe 3. Not good. So how do we replace this? Well, you're looking for something to cool you down, to bring you down, right? To chill you out, and that's the alcohol. So what do we replace this with? Well, something that's going to chill you out. Ashwagandha and L-Theanine. If you can see them here, you're looking on YouTube, right? You can just get 365 gummies, take them in the evening. Both are going to help regulate your cortisol, take you down to rest and digest, chill you out. Chill pills, right? Probably thinking like, why do I have a can of bubbly here? And if you're listening to this, I have a can of bubbly, right? But you can also have tea. You can also have the Zevia, right? There is, in behavioral psychology, that's all coaching is getting clients to do what you tell them to do, which is a lot harder than you think it is. Most people are just like, oh, I just need to know what to do. It's like, no, like you need to create the habits and systems and change your mindset to actually execute on this. But there's something called the cue routine reward substitution. Cue, routine, reward. Cue, you're stressed. Routine, you drink. Reward, you're drunk. Okay? We can swap that, the substitution. Cue, you're stressed. Right? Routine, you take the ashwagandha L-Theanine, crack a bubbly or a Zevia and a hot tea. Reward chills you out, right? Routine, you establish a new habit, rewire your brain. So that's the hack. And these are the supplement stacks. So hope this helps. If you also want to decrease the effects of alcohol, go on Instagram, search me at Dylan A. Conrad. Dylan like Bob Dylan, A. Conrad, the C-O-N is in Nancy, rad. I'm not rad. I'm a loser dad who lives in the suburbs. Go on there, DM me, and say alcohol supplement stack or alcohol detox supplement stack. I'll know what you're talking about. I'll send you my free full alcohol detox supplement stack. I love you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.